Hi, I'm Janet Bosserman, the Executive Director of the Pregnancy Center, and I'm glad to do this Friday update, the first of the new year. And when we think of the new year, we think of our annual event, which is going to be held March 14th at Westgate Chapel again. This is the third year for our Sweet Endings, and it will probably be the best year. We're going to have a speaker that has been hand-selected by Bruce Wilkinson, who was such a dynamic speaker last year. We're going to continue to try to raise funds to do big and bold things here at the Pregnancy Center. And we hope that you'll want to bring friends with you. It's a free appetizer, grazing, and dessert prior to the program. So come at 5:30 and enjoy some free food and fellowship with other people who just care about our ministry, and then there'll be a 7 o'clock program. We will be getting invitations out to you in the mail, so please look for those. And if you'd like to get involved in helping us, we have plenty of volunteer opportunities for the event as well. So let me just be the first to wish you a very happy new year and thank you for partnering with us in our mission. We save and change lives every day, and we're so thankful that you're a part of that.